So when I have conversation with our client and partners, most of us as businesses in the continent, we're caught up in between digital transformation and AI transformation. Like digital transformation was not done by far. It was not done. People are still catching up with CRM. People are still adapting into pushing systems to cloud. People still have their assets on Excel sheet. And now all is coming together with AI. There is an opportunity and benefits with this that people can quickly maybe adapt with that and catch up and transform quickly. Maybe digital transformation will be quickly accelerated with AI transformation. Now, the problem is most organizations, they don't know where they're sitting at right now in the transformation journey. We came from IPF Softwares and built a tool called AI Ladder, an initiative from IPF Software that help organizations realize where they are at. AI Ladder is broken down into 6 simple steps that we're looking at. One, from being able to identify where your organization is at. From level 0, if it is a manual business, to level 1, a digital business. Now, a digital business is the one that is already at area that is transformed. Now, you know what? Let me walk you through this. When you go to our website, of course, visit ipfsoftwares.com in any of your browser, and you'll be able to come through and see this assessment tool that we built. One, the framework, it will show you where like the levels that we are at the ladder. So from a manual business, now this is a paper-based business that uses Excel, WhatsApp. If your task have been done on WhatsApp, manual approval and reporting. If you're still using memos, moving around, seeking approval across department, you're a little bit on a manual business. Now, a digital business, it is a business that is already in between connecting the departments and communication between departments using ERP, accounting system, you're using CRM, sales to digital payment systems, and operational management platform. Now, that is a digital business where the work is captured on a software. Now, a connected business, this is a system that starts talking to each other. Systems are integrated across platform, API architecture and middleware, that being able to connect between internal systems and the outside system. There's a unified operations dashboard that can be able to measure the performance of the team, measure the performance of your sales, measure performance of your finance team and operations team and everything. Now, level 3, this is an automated business. A software performs repetitive tasks that your organization does. Say a workflow approval, an automated notification report. Let's say you have a ticketing system from a sales coming through your channel on WhatsApp, connected from WhatsApp to your ERP, from order to cash, I will say. If that journey entire thing is automated, now you are an automated business in that. Now then, the AI-powered business. Now we're talking about AI chatbot being in place, predictive analysis, fraud detection, AI co-pilots running in your support system with your customer. And then we get to level 5. This is an agentic business. And I'm not sure if we have any business currently in our continent or in Tanzania, I will say, that is at this level. Happy to hear comments on if you think there's any organization that is at the agentic level. I have so much and I wish to learn from them in that case. Now, when you get here, you can be able to click find out where you actually stand. And we've put this so good that we've distributed it across departments. So if you're a CEO, you'll be able to get it at CEO level and you'll be asked questions as a CEO. If you are head of IT or any in related free field of technology department, CTO, CIO, head of department, head of IT, head of innovation, you go at this area here. If you are leading digital transformation and AI transformation in your company, you go into this area. The questions will be different in each category. If you're just a department, head of department or a director, and you need to monitor this at a department level, this is for you. And we've distributed this because some organizations, large enterprises, some initiatives need to start at department level. So at a department level, you'll be able to take this one and you get forward with that. And we've distributed it across sectors. We could not put all sectors here. So if you're not following in any of these sectors, just click others. And for now, for this case, I'll imagine I'm a CEO and managing director of a company that I'm taking an assessment for. So after that, you go and begin your assessment. So we've categorized this into 6 key steps, actually 5 questions, 5 categories of questions that are grouped from system and technology, where we look at how operations are run in your organization. From data and information, this is where we look at how you capture data across your department and across your organization. Then automation and workflow, we look at how much have you automated your workflows in your organization. And AI intelligence, we look at your current AI usage in your organization. Then the most important area is people and readiness. After that, we give your results, and I'll just do a quick round of questions here. I can't go through all, just a glimpse, so that you can be able to take your assessment yourself. And not to preempt the process, you need to go and take this assessment and know exactly where you are at. So question number 1, like, how does your organization manage its core operations? Now, this could be paper-based, or we are using AI tools for assistance, or we use basic system for basic accounting system like HR systems and accounting. You check that. And another question within the same category, how are approvals being run within your organization? So it could be a manual process, you like people are moving up memos, or even in WhatsApp, we put it in the manual because, that's already like people moving, you can track that data, or digitally through email chains and software. So that could be there. So I'll just go quickly and skip and answer these questions. All right, so when you get to level 4, this is where it gets interesting now, because people have started really to adapt AI, but what we see and what we notice is AI is being adapted at individual level. Like individual person would adapt, like someone who is more techie savvy, more someone who is an early adapter in adapting software and things like that. We'll get into that. So this will ask you how you adapt AI in your organization. Are you using just cloud and ChatGPT at individual level, or is AI adapted and embedded across the multiple departments? Are you paying subscription for your team to produce more in these AI models and things like that? Have you deployed AI chatbot for production and things like that? So whatever level that you are at, you'll be able to answer that. And so for people, it will ask you the same questions. So after that, you jump into getting your results. So your results will be loading, and like we crunch up numbers, and boom. So you see, based on the assessment that I've taken, I get that I'm an overall score of 1.5 and my business is connected. This report is long and gives you details, and you as well get a PDF version of this sent over your email. So I challenge you, if you're head of department, take an initiative, go and take the assessment. If you're a CEO in your organization, or if you're just even a team member in your organization and you need to know where you are at, it's not necessarily being a leader in your organization. You could be that champion that builds up fuel for people to adapt in your organization. So right now, go and visit www.ipfsoftwares.com and click on the upper layer. You'll see take the assessment. Click there, take the assessment, and challenge your team to take as well, so that you can be able to measure results across your department. This is Grayson Julius from IPF Softwares. Once again, this is AI Ladder. Enjoy.